Hello everybody and welcome to this video where we are going to see the main highlights of Mistika Workflows 10.2.1. Let's crack on. Almost every node in Mistika Workflows has been updated, adding several new options to the node properties. In some task nodes, such as ProRes, you will notice two new tabs. Metadata section, allowing you to choose the tape name and name convention, enabling the selection of the name convention to be used in the render. Output name convention can now also be chosen independently of the general one. The name convention functionality has been further improved in the input nodes, having their own name convention. The most common name convention is as follows: path, base name, _frame, .extension. However, in the case of ARRI files for example, the most common one is path, base name, .frame, and extension. As you can see, we can use two or more different name conventions in the same workflow, which will save us time. In addition, the name convention manager has been upgraded, allowing the user to change between several new options. Based on Mistika Workflows users' feedback, the functionality of transcoding nodes has been further expanded, adding the most common output resolution templates, such as 4K, 2K, HD and also the most typical VR resolutions. However, you can still use the option to set the output resolution manually, whichever feels more comfortable. You will also notice a new frame rate retimer, enabling 3 new ways of the frame rate modification and conversion. And 2 new features to overwrite the time code with the ability to choose between drop frame or non-drop frame. Debayering raw media is now even easier, due to the new input option for ARRI, R3D, Canon, Sony, and Blackmagic RAW nodes. RAW nodes can now be used to debayer the media within the folder node. For example, you can debayer media contained in a folder in blocks, treating the ARRI footage separately from the R3D and applying the same color management. In this latest version of Mistika Workflows, the support for Blackmagic RAW media has been added. The Watermark display filter has also been upgraded, being very easy to customize when a workflow is executed. This can be done by modifying the header, body, footer, and text properties through the Python Watermark configuration node. To perform this operation, make sure to activate the watermark. You can find in the display filter menu of the transcoding nodes. As you can see, Python source code is provided to serve as an example of how to modify display filters. The watermark display filter can also be modified using a CSV file through this node. The Watcher node has also been updated with the add root property and delete after processing option to avoid generating duplicate files and optimize disk usage. Simply make sure to choose it and to tick the "Are you sure" box as well. Sony XDCAM, Panasonic P2 and P28K media packs are now fully supported as an input and output format in Mistika Workflows. To load the media packs, you can simply drag and drop a media file contained in the pack, and Mistika Workflows will recognize it as a media pack. You can also choose the input node you want to import, and then locate the media pack in your system. Hope you enjoyed this video. To see the complete list of new features and improvements made to Mistika Workflows 10.2.1, head over to SGO forums. Consider subscribing if you want to keep up with the latest on Mistika Workflows. Enjoy Mistika!